Hi, my name is Dottie.
Hi, I'm Avni.
Hi, my name is Amina.
Hey, I'm Jamie.
Hi, I'm Cecilia.
Hi, I'm Ning.
And we are your Bristol University Neurosociety Committee.
This year we've got lots planned for you guys, and although it may be a bit difficult with coronavirus and everything being virtual, we're still really keen to get the most out of it and help you guys learn lots more about neuroscience and neurosurgery.
Let's talk about some of the events we have lined up for this year.
So this year we have the Careers Fair, and this will be held on Zoom. And these will be talks held by neurosurgeons and neurologists, and they'll talk about how they achieve their goals, useful tips for application, and what their job entails.
The fair will also look into intercalation and what intercalating in neuroscience means, and you'll learn how to get published and how to make the most of an intercalating year.
We will be running a journal club joint with Cardiff where consultants will run through and explain research.
So we hope to run some anatomy dissection sessions, and these will provide anatomy teaching and anatomy revision.
These will be held in the dissection room and will allow for students to get more familiar with the brain and spinal anatomy and the effect of different conditions on brain tissue.
We're also affiliated with NANSIG and will promote any research projects and competitions that they have running throughout the year.
Finally, we plan on holding a national neuro conference which will consist of poster presentations, talks given by neurologists and neurosurgeons, and interactive workshops.
These may include suture workshops, burr hole practice. The conference will also give you the opportunity to submit any abstracts and allow you to present posters at a national event.
If you have any questions, feel free to message us. We can't wait to meet you all, and I hope you have a great start to the year.